What do you do, y'all? Welcome to the Crypto Channel 329. Today's video, we are going to review the SolFarm. So this is a play to earn gain on Solana chain. And over here, we can see this is the game right here. This is my farm. Obviously, I haven't started yet, but I'm going to show you how to invest in this project, okay? Before we go any further, let me just tell you that this is a fairly new project. And from what I can see from the white paper right here, we don't have an audit. We don't have an audit, so it can be a tricky um, a tricky platform. But from what I can see, it seems to be very interesting. It's well designed and everything. So the Twitter page has 13.7 followers, and TG has 11.68. All right, so I'll ask a few questions on the TG. When not it, when not it, when not it. But so far, I haven't had um, any answer about the audit. Okay, so I don't know when the audit is coming, if it's actually coming. Okay, but as you can see right here, when the audit is coming, but nobody replied to me. Okay, so we don't really know. It can't be a situation um, where there will be no audit, but sometimes audit means nothing, right? So keep that in mind as well. And yeah, the reason why I'm showing this is because it was launched on the 15th yesterday, and the all-time high 12.24. And the pre-sale, many people bought this token at $2. All right, so if you bought $2 and sold it at 12.24, that means you made 6x profits. Okay, right now it's down 37.78% from all-time high, and the trading volume is a lot, 7 million bucks. All right, so it is a lot. Okay, and over here we got the roadmap. They have a few ideas. Okay, so it can be interesting if they play well and everything goes well. Okay, so we've got NFTs coming soon as well, and we got the tokenomics. So 1 million tokens only. Okay, so farming will have 40% of these 1 million. Marketing will have 3%. Team will have 2%. Centralized exchange will have 5%. Pre-sale 45.4%, and liquidity 4.5%. Buying and selling tax is 0. Okay, and essentially that's that. So if you click over here to the white paper, we'll take you to this page where you can learn more about this game. So as you can see right here, the game has 20 land plots or slots, whatever you want to call it, and each slot will allow you to plant a seed. Okay, once you click on a slot, you can see that over here is deposit the seed. Watering is like compounding, and harvest is like claiming. Okay, over here we got the seed shop, so each seed has a different price, but the higher you go, so for example this one, you will need to invest 500 bucks, and in 10 days you will make 225 bucks profit. Okay, and you get the idea. So these seeds are worth according to the token price. Okay, so if the token price is worth, so at the moment the token price is worth 761, and you will need 6.57 tokens, which is worth 50 bucks to buy this apple seed. But if the token price, let's say, goes to 50 bucks, you're only going to need one token to buy this apple seed. Right now, you need 6.67. Same goes to the other way. So if the token price goes to $1, you will need 50 tokens to buy this apple seed, and you get the idea, I guess. Okay, and to play with this game, you will need a Phantom wallet. All you got to do is come over here to the Google, type in Phantom wallet. This one will pop up. We'll take you to this page, and from here, you just have to select your browser, install it, and you will have your Phantom wallet right here. So this is my brand new Phantom wallet. I just created. Okay, that's why it's all zeros. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna send 50 bucks worth of Solana, and then I'm gonna purchase this token. I'm gonna show you where to purchase. If you come over here, we can see that we can purchase this one on Radium or Orca at the moment. Okay, and you are good to go. Over here on the TG, they just mentioned that they just burned 10,000 bucks worth of tokens in fees, because they mentioned over here, where is it? Right here. So 90% of the fees is used to buy back and burn to support the token price. 10% for the developer, team, and marketing activities. Okay, so how to play about with this game? Like I said to you, you have 10 plots of land available. Okay, and each plot you just gotta plant the seed. Okay. And obviously I haven't started yet, so I'm gonna show you in real time how everything goes. Okay. But once after planting, the player needs to water them sufficiently every 24 hours. So you have to pour water in every 24 hours. Okay. And when required the number of waters is reached, then the tree will bear fruit, and the player can harvest agriculture products in the form of tokens. Okay. And right here we can see the different seeds: apple, orange, pears, all the way to avocado, cocoa. And we can see the seed price, how much it costs, and the profits, and over here the number of days that you will have to pour water into that seed, and when it's fully mature you can harvest. Okay, so 2 days, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 10 days. Okay. And every time you deposit, you will pay a 2.5% tax. Every time you withdraw, you pay a 2.5% tax, which is a total of 5%. Okay, and like I said to you, 90%, well, this fees go 90% goes to the buyback and burn, and the 10% goes to the team. Minimum withdrawal amount is 10 bucks at a time, no maximum limit. Okay, the first withdrawal will be allowed after 24 hours, and then after that, 1 hour after the previous withdrawal. Okay, and thing, there is not much else to do. All players. So we have some upcoming features. So let's see how everything will go. So right now, the token price is increasing. Okay, cool. So what I'm gonna do, I am gonna send some Solana tokens to my wallet right here, 50 bucks worth of Solana, and then I'm gonna purchase the token, and then I'm gonna show you how to get started with this game. Okay, so stay tuned in. Okay, guys, I have my Solana tokens, as you can see right here. So 0 point was 55 minus the fees. Okay, so that equals that. Okay, so now we're gonna come to Radium website, and we select the Phantom. We're gonna connect our wallet. Okay, we're gonna confirm this. We're gonna connect our wallet if it goes through. Okay, we are in. We can see our Sol tokens right here, balance. So now we're going to copy this address right here. We're going to go back, and we're going to paste the address right here, right there. And the token name should pop up, all right, because this is the token. So we're going to click on it, and we're going to understand and confirm. Some reason the token name is not popping up. So let's do a test. Let's see if we do 0.5, how many 0.5. Okay, 0.5 will give us 6.505 tokens. So we need 50 bucks. Okay, so 0.51, 0.52. Yeah, 0.52. Well, actually, we still have to pay the gas fees. Oh man, this is tricky. But yeah, let's try. Let's see with 0.52, and let's see how it goes. So this is the token price right now. I accept. Let's go ahead and swap. Hopefully this one will go through. Okay, SolFarm right here is recognizing. Okay, let me just confirm. And we got an error. Let's try one more time. Let's try 0.53 tokens. During simulation, man. Let's try one more time. If it doesn't work, screw this. Transaction reverted during simulation. What that's supposed to mean? Hmm. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what's going on here. Do you know what? Screw this. Okay. Um. All right. Yeah, the swap went through. As you can see right here, we got my tokens right there. So now let's go over to the platform and let's see how it goes. I was about to give up. Really, I was about to give up because it was taking too long. Whoa, token price just increased. So let me connect my wallet, probably hit the refresh. So we got the tokens right there. Okay. Probably have to hit deposits. How many tokens I have? Six. 6.38. 6.38. We're gonna hit OK. And now, yeah, we're gonna hit OK. Success. So let's hit the refresh. Refresh is our best friends in DeFi. Let's have a look. So the tokens left my wallet. So deposits. There you go. Quantity 622. Okay, we paid the tax. So now if you come over here to the seed shop, we can see that we need 626. Hmm. So where is my transaction success? Okay, it took a few minutes for this to upload, okay, but we got our tokens right here, and right now to buy this one we need 6.2. So token price is increasing, so I gotta be fast. Let me go ahead and click that. Okay, so assure yes. Okay, cool. So I have my seed, so now I'm gonna pick this one right here and plant my seeds. Okay, and as you can see right here, I've got one seed, so I'm gonna hit plant. Yes, and as you can see right here, we got our seeds right there. So now, what I'm gonna do, what I have to do is wait 24 hours. So I'm gonna set a reminder. So 10:30 right now. So tomorrow 10:30 or 10:29, I'll come over here, and once it comes to this timer goes to 0, I'll have to water it for another 24 hours. Okay, I'll have to do this 2 days, and then after 2 days, I'll be able to claim my rewards. Okay, and essentially that's that. It took a little bit more time than I was expecting, but it's done now. And token price right now is 8,083. Okay, so if tomorrow is $9, even though I'm gonna make 7% in 2 days, I'm gonna earn a little bit more because the token price has been appreciated. Okay, and that being said, guys, I'm going to wrap this video up. As you can see right here in the white paper, you still got the referral system and all that, but I'm not going to cover that because I'm not interested in that. But I highly recommend you for you to come over here to the white paper and fully understand how everything works before you join this game. Okay, I like this kind of game, so I decided to gamble $50 to see how it goes. And also because these SolFarm trading volume is crazy. So let me just hit the refresh real quick. Okay, and let's see how it goes. So $8 right there, and many more people are, trading this thing. All right, so let's see how this thing goes. All right, so this is a gamble, $50 gamble. Hopefully, this will be a good gamble. That being said, All the links going to be down in the description. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.